So sister, today is Sunday and it's a nice day. And here with us is a Glo,
Hi.
Bong,
Hello?
Bong, my handsome nephew, and Mrs. Sister-in-law, Maricol,
Hi.
and my my niece, wife, Rose,
Hello po, kumusta po kayo?
and
Chito.
my handsome, my handsome nephew,
And Chito.
and Bayaw, Ligon.
Chito.
Yes, that's my brother-in-law.
Lumayo ka pag tumingin ka sa
And-
akin.
Ayun, sila magugulo.
Lumayo ka nga.
Oh. At nandito kami lahat. Hello sa Kalayan.
Mahal kita.
And mahal na mahal ka namin. At nandito
Tingin naman
sa
kayo.
Kalayan.
Yun.
Galing ko kayo. Hello sa Kalayan.
Tama na.
And hi po. Okay.